Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will fix a Bluetooth speaker. This speaker are broken from hand. So we are remove for screw and fix it. Dear viewers, the speaker are loose. Unfortunately, one screw are removed or broken. So and this connection are loose. So this screw tighten and last check, this is okay, sound are okay. Now fittings all screw and finally this Bluetooth are okay. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos subscribe Tech Mechanic YouTube channel. Thank you, tata, bye bye.